is the Wall Street. This is the Wall Street Beat Show, Crypto and Crypto. And if you didn't know, now you know, bitches. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. There's Wall Street, I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto, don't flip, yo. Talks about nigga Crypto and Crypto. We got these indicators, don't be a hater or a hoe. I gotta let you know, we're making Crypto and Crypto. Hit the like and subscribe, we're going on the run. I get excited when I buy crypto. I said I get excited when I buy crypto. You gotta keep your emotions. I said I get excited when I buy. It's time to settle the score. You don't want to trade crypto no more. If you don't understand that emotion, will take you to another place, and now you'll chase the red candle. Can't stand you. There's Wall Street. I don't know. It's Crypto and Crypto. Don't flip, yo. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought more. Everybody buy it, goes up really high. What's the favorite saying? Wish I bought.
Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Want to learn how to make sick dough in crypto? You hit that like, you hit that subscribe, hit that bell notification. Wow. What a freaking evening. What a day. Wall Street Pete, sick dough in crypto. Guys, what is happening? I see a couple people in the chat. We got Joe, we got Vinny with the woo, and we have Rise and Sun. Nice to have every single one of you. Let's get into detail. Let's not waste any time. Obviously, follow Wall Street Pete, sick dough. Hit that bell all notification. You already know. Talking about a lot of things here, but talking about this Bitcoin chart and this crazy rise, almost 11% coming immediately up here. Sorry about that. I don't know what the hell happened here. Coming right through, though, if you pay attention to the chart now, as we got it up finally, what a day Bitcoin has been happening. It's been a really, really long time since we've seen anything like this. So this is pretty exciting right now. October, I've told you before, if we break out of this pattern, out of this area, I expect that the fourth quarter is going to be very helpful. And if you pay attention to what's going on, I do believe that 37 to 42,000 is the real number, but we have 40,000 circled in here. But we talked about this in January when we were trading probably about 17, 18,000. Hit the like and subscribe. What's going on? BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF now listed on Nasdaq trade clearing firm. So what's happening right now is pretty much a process, but people are getting excited, and I really don't blame you. So what's going on here? Exchange traded fund analytics. Let's get into it right now. The iShares Bitcoin Trust has been listed on the DTCC, Depository Trust and Clearing Corporation, which clears Nasdaq's trades. So the ticker for the IBC Trust will be IBTC. Again, all part of the process of bringing the ETF to market. So right now we need them, obviously, the SEC to approve this. But getting pretty excited, right? We're making every step. Bitcoin is now showing here that it was 33,000. This was just, an hour ago this article was thrown out, giving you an up-to-date. So pretty excited. If we look at the total crypto market cap, 1.23. This will probably change often, so we will update that. But right now, 1.23 trillion. Please, everyone who's in here, we have 6-7 viewers. Hit that like button, slam that button right now, and also comment, as I appreciate every one of you doing so. Bitcoin up 10-11%. It's been a very long time since we've seen anything like this, guys. The bull market's back. Neutral? Well, that's about to wave goodbye, right? So this is pretty exciting. I'm pretty souped. I don't know what you guys are feeling right now, how you feel this particular chart. Let's see where we can go here. But some charts, if you pay attention to this one, not this. Let's see. Am I already screwing up? Oh, yes, I am. Hold on one second. Let me get this back up. I just want to show everyone on this chart. Some people say that we went to 35,000, which I can't believe it. But right here, 34,000 Bitcoin. So it is there on that particular platform. I'm not sure which one that is on top, but that's pretty exciting. Actually, I think it's this one. Here we go. We're right to it. It is the MEX. So I don't know. I had Philip say we went to 35.9, but here What do I have? I have 34,779 was the top for Bitcoin. So please hit the like and subscribe. The people who are just coming in, we're talking about how amazing this was. If you watched this a month ago, I did say October to be great for Bitcoin. I wish I could go back to the video and remember when I was typing this. Some people are probably saying Pete's the GOAT for this. Thank you so much for your amazing TA. I did nothing special. All of this is October. October is coming. We're talking about Bitcoin be hitting a price of 37,000 now. Did not think that this would occur so quickly. I'll be honest. I was one of those people saying 31,400 was a big deal. Well, we have 51 minutes and 54 seconds for this daily candle to finish above that price. That happens. Well, guess what? The bulls are back in town. That's a fact, Jack. And that's what we've been waiting for. We've been talking about this in the last couple of videos. So everyone who is watching, please, if you're enjoying the show, hit the like button. We talk about technical analysis. We talk about what's going on with BlackRock. And just the steps alone and everything, like we said, it's a big deal. And if you pay attention here to the chart, what's going on? Well, that particular day, we had this huge uptick. It was exactly October 16th. We're talking about 7 days ago. So 7 days ago, we got this uptick. It was fake news. And now here we are going up how much further? We're going up another 27% for Bitcoin. So if you remember that day, what started this little FOMO, well, that's it right there. So he said it, 35.9 was the MEC futures. Oh, love it. MEX futures, definitely a big deal. I definitely missed that, and I should have realized you were talking about the futures. I should have realized that. But S&P, even that stopped the S&P from coming down just a little bit. Everything was going down. As you can see here, oscillator showing the S&P traditional markets. Still on a daily looking rather bearish, so it's still going to be scary. Is it worth buying back? And this is hilarious. This is what happens. The FOMO is real. We have EA15. I sold some profits at 30 and a half. 31,500 would have been my sell-off. And that's what I did. I sold some at 31.5, so I only got you beat by 1,500, and I'm supposed to be really good at this. Bitcoin goes parabolic. It's tough to find out what's happening here. But I did get a little bit off. What's going to happen now is you're going to have to pay attention to what happened, because it went to all the way 34.7 here on this particular chart. I did not expect that, so I'll go to the weekly. I want to see exactly where we are. Look at the gap we have to fill here. Get rid of the mess. I'm tired of it, right? Remove indicators, remove drawings. I'm starting over, guys. I hope you don't get upset about that. But this is what we're looking at. We're looking at the charts here for Bitcoin. It's a weekly chart, so every week represents what each candle is showing here. It's a week that's gone by. And in about 50 minutes, we're about to get a brand new daily candle, so it's kind of exciting to see that. Don't know how much resistance. I think we're going to keep pumping. I think that's going to happen, because you got to remember there are people sleeping on the other side of the world, and they're going to wake up and they're going to see this particular action, and they're going to FOMO in. They're going to FOMO in. So we have to pay attention to the volume, what's going on. It's been a long time since I've seen Ethereum even at this price, 1764. It looks nice. Let's get to Ethereum real quick and see what's happening here. Even this looks exciting. We're breaking that trend, and the trend was to the downside. So we'll see what happens. Hit resistance right on the nose is 1790. I told people this morning, go watch the video this morning. I said to you that if I was on Ethereum right now, I wouldn't take this serious. I would be selling some at 1790, and that, yes, they've watched the show this morning. You must have watched it, and a lot of you are selling at 1790, which is very smart. Beautiful move right here, but we will get the next leg up here, so pay attention to what's going on. 49 minutes till the next candle. I do believe we break through into here, and we're going to find ourselves probably at the 1868. We're going to have another leg up. What's going to happen is the other side of the world is going to wake up, and they're going to pump this harder. So I hate to tell you, but this is moving so fast. I don't know. We're just getting a quick little slight correction. Go to the 4-hourly. I'll help you out. This is crazy looking at this chart right now, but 4-hourly, you can see what's happening here. We'll get some indicators. We'll have fun. A little bit of volume. You can see it popping through. We get some volume coming in. 4-hourly is getting a lot of green coming in. Let's look at the daily. You can see today we're going on a nice almost week run here of some volume. So that's pretty nice on the daily. This is what I do. Get to the daily here. I do like to see some of the indicators, so just hang with me tight. We're trying to get something going up here. Bitcoin dominance I haven't seen in a couple days. Is that moving nice? Exponential moving average got tight right in here. You can see what's going on. It's looking beautiful. So I expect Bitcoin, we're going to go back and get those prices back up, but I expect Bitcoin to really thrive here. What we're going to do now is got 47 minutes. It's definitely staying above the 31 and a half. So you can see we're breaking out of this pattern that we've been in for so long, boring sideways action. What Bitcoin's going to continue to do is obviously show that it does not belong in this range anymore. A lot of people are going to buy. A lot of people are getting in. Probably big institutions are doing this. It's really wild to see 2-3 0.23, $250 billion move up. If you really think about that, that's really what just happened. We were at 1 trillion market cap not too long ago, and now all of a sudden, if you think about it, $250 billion is getting poured into this. So I find it pretty amazing. It's wild. Don't tell me that something isn't happening right now. You don't get big moves like this for fun. So it does look like we're getting back into everything here. I'm getting excited. You can see where we're going. If I had to tell you, I do expect the next price, the next stop off, big major resistance, 37,000. Let's bring this up and show you the last TA. I mean, we do this all the time, but there it is. The last move we got from this bounce. And I told you, I said that this is what I expect on the next parabolic move. Call it lucky. Call it what you want. My name is Wall Street Pete, though. Make sure you call me that right here. We're not going to stop until we get to about 40,000 Bitcoin. This is happening. I don't know what to tell you. Should we all wait to go back in? This is why you dollar cost average in and out. So right now, if I get some indicators, and that's what we have to do, we got to get the indicator out, right? Stochastic ATR volatility oscillator. I love this thing. It's a daily oscillator. It's telling me we're only halfway there. We're going to get resistance. We're going to come down eventually. What's going to happen, though, is we're going to get the next leg up. I know you've played this game before. I know you've seen this before. This is Bitcoin. Congratulations. Nice to see you. I remember my first pump. You know what I mean? I'm not talking about you, EA. I'm talking about anybody who's coming in and checking this out right now, right? We're breaking Bitcoin down. You can see that this pattern is clearly breaking the 31.5. The FOMO is going to go through. We're in good shape. But if you see the last move from here, the last parabolic that sent us off, hit resistance and then came down and got the next leg up, right? This is what I'm talking about. This is what we're expecting. So watch what happens. I would dollar cost average in every time, and this is what I would do. This is to answer your question. Every time I see this, now I got 45 minutes till the next candle. I am not buying until I see what this next candle does. If you pay attention, we have had the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4-hour candles, excuse me. So the last 4-hour candles, of 8 of them, we have been striding in the upward parabolic move. There's really not much you can see here, but that. I need some type of change. I need some type of head and shoulders pattern, something telling me that we're done. No, we're not done. So anytime you buy when it falls, is a good buy at this point in time. The next leg up. People are going in. I don't know if you understand. This is what's happening. We're getting a right shoulder, left shoulder here. We're going up. We're probably going to keep peaking. I don't know for sure, but I'm not watching the volume 100% right now of what's going on. I can't tell you what's going to happen. I'm going to have to go to sleep tonight. But what's going on right now is from the past previous is that you usually hit the peak of this trend. And the peak of the trend was 31.9 here, about 32,000. I didn't expect to break 32,000. Something's going on. Some type of bullish news. Something crazy is happening. That's all I can tell you. Because when we broke out of this pattern, this symmetrical pattern, this was exactly a recipe for a breakout. ABC-like correction, we're going parabolic, we're going up, the volume won't stop. People are going to look at their accounts, people are going to look at the price, and people are going to go, holy shit, should I buy some? It's going, now's the time. And what's going to happen is big institutions will get in as well, and this could keep going overnight. So I really can't tell you where we're going to stop. I'm trying to get there. It's impossible. Looking at the chart, looking at everything. Like I said, 37,000, every time I keep seeing it from this whole gap that we have to fill, that's all I can see. We already broke this. So let me clean it up and show you here. 37,000 seems to be it. That's the spot where we're going to stop. We're going to keep going parabolic till we get there. I really do feel that way. So I'm not telling you to buy. It's not financial advice, but the head and shoulders pattern can develop. It'll be a correction. And then after that, it's only going to stop when somebody big sells, and that's if that happens right now. So if you see the boring sideways action, we're talking about all the way from April, guys. We're stuck at a price from April. This is what's happening. April of 2023. We couldn't break this price. Ladies and gentlemen, we're breaking that price right now, and it can't stop going. A lot of people are noticing what's happening, and they're getting involved. So I'll tell you right now, I'm going to get off right now. I'm going to head out. I'm excited. I cannot wait for the next video myself. I can't wait to wake up tomorrow and see what reflects in the price. Of course, if you hit the like and subscribe, we will give you an update. But from the top, that's maybe what we need to do. I need to do a little bit of a Fibonacci on this. Let's do it because I need to see where we're heading, because you can see this right now. This is exciting. Look at this. Whew. Wow. We're going to head out of here shortly. I just want to see what's going on. where we are. Okay. So usually I see my peak here. I'll take it. I'll adjust to about here. What happened was we hit 38.2 pullback. We didn't even go 50%. This is just the daily. And this is pretty crazy because it's blast off time. I see it. 38% pullback. We called this pullback, actually. 25.7, roughly 25,700. What's going to happen now? We could keep going. Like I said, 37,000 is not out of here. I see that very well coming into play. I'm trying to break the chart down as much as I can. It's very difficult, but the more and more I look at this, it's scary, guys. Scary in a good way. 40,000 really is what we're looking for here. My TA was telling me that the last move we did on that jump, that was definitely here, and then we're repeating coming here, and it gave us a 37,000. So, but what the chart and TA is telling me here is that we could really just bounce all the way up in between 35.1, which is the 38.2, excuse me, coming back here. So this is the price range I expect us to be in. I don't like the blue color, but that was it. That's what I wanted to share before I go. Don't be shocked if you wake up and we are trading in these ranges. Just appreciate the technical analysis and just appreciate our YouTube channel and just say, hey, it's a good channel. I appreciate you guys and your hard work. Excuse me, but you can see what's happening here. Clear as day, we hit the 38.2 and we came back. So we're probably going to hit this right through. We're hitting 38.2 now. You can see where it's heading, 35,155. Probably resistance right here. That's where we're finding it finally. Finally. It took us 15 minutes. But if you see it here now, this is exactly where we're grinding in. It's all into there. I see it. What's the daily have to finish at? The daily have to finish above that price we had, and it already did coming in. It was 31,500 was your price. So we already did that. So if you pay attention to this now and what's going on, this is pretty exciting. I'm excited for this. We're going to be in this range. We're going to be trading here before you know it. So get ready. Get your bags packed here. This is why we dollar cost average in, because, yeah, your money gets its ass kicked when it's going down. But it's like shooting fish in a barrel when it's going up, right? It's like a joke. Trying to set you for the ranges, but this is where we're at. Hitting resistance currently right now, and I think that's where we can go. So right here is where we'll be playing. So ladies and gentlemen, when you wake up, if you're on the Eastern time, I do believe that this is the range we could be trading in for Bitcoin. I do believe we funnel somewhere in here. So I do really think that this is where we'll be in trading. Could we come down and hit here for support? Absolutely. 30,670 price. I don't know why I got something in my throat. I need water. But we could do that as well. So looking at this right here, we could be hitting resistance coming in, but then we're going to get ready for the next liftoff. So either way, the next leg is up. It's up to you. Do you want to wait for resistance on the next candle to be red? You got 39 minutes to check that out. That could very well be the case. We could get a little bit of resistance coming here, and that could be it. So just watch what happens, but I'm still very bullish. The next leg coming up, I mean, when people see these parabolic moves, they're going to get involved. I mean, the reason why the parabolic moves are here is because someone did get involved, somebody very important, or perhaps multiple very important people. So thank you so much for your time. I appreciate your time, the likes, everything. We do have a lot of viewers, and it wouldn't be this way without you guys. So Benny the Bull, thanks you very much. We're excited, man. The Bulls are back in town. As you can see, the cup and handle is forming all the way to that 40,000. Wow. I predicted this in January. So if you want to go back to the January videos, if you're that bored, check us out. Call us out. Do whatever you want. But call us Wall Street Pete when we're done. Have a great day. Have a great night, everyone. I'm super excited. I'm stoked. I can't believe it. Finally. I know so many people who gave up on this bear market. I understand. I was flipping out with you. I've been listening to your videos for a while, usually after the live streams. If it ends bullish, I'm going to hand over first fist on XRP and Matic. What's the daily up to finish at? Just reading everybody's comments at the end. Goat, 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 goat. No, thank you guys. I have some goat audiences, and it wouldn't be this great of a live feed every time without you guys. So the evenings are back. Get excited because obviously the bull market is back too. Talk to you guys soon. Thanks again.